Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Just put this back together and figured, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And I picked it pretty decently. So I'm gonna try to do it again on camera for you guys. Last time I did it, I picked it out of the vise, so this time I'm gonna try to do it out of hand. Got the basic hook from Jimmy Long's new set, the 2-piece set he just dropped. Lots of crunching going on in here. Oh, there's a little bit of a false set, it felt like. Trying to find that one that's binding now. Last time I did this, I used the deep flat hook, so I wanted to try this beginner hook and see if I could get it with that. I believe it's got a rounded tip on it as well. Oh no! There it is, infamous tensioner fling. And it wasn't working right anyway, so I got these all tied together on this crazy string. I was tubing yesterday, so I brought some picks and locks with me to do some float picking as I was going down the river. I knew it was going to be camera shy once I got it back together. It wasn't before. This thing was loving it, loving the lives, loving all the attention. There we go. Oof. Nice click on that one. Not to lose this tensioner again. Oh, there we go. It's close. There it is. I was able to feel it there on the edge. So yeah, I probably goofed it up the first time. Probably had something overset. Went a lot quicker that second time there. That's what I needed, was the tensioner to go flinging. The old Lady Locks talks about that infamous old tensioner fling. Fling! Especially when you're doing these things. They like to go winging out of there. But yeah, just wanted to show that it still works after the reassembly. You could still pick it. And did it with the new Jimmy Long hook from the beginner set. Comes with the rake and 22 thousandths. So there you have it. Hopefully everybody likes that, and feel free to drop a like, subscribe, comment as well, and have fun. If you guys haven't done it yet, go give this 200K club a try. They give you a really cool letter, stuff like that as well, so, you know, give it a shot, man. Have a good one, everyone.